Hello, we are out. If this is your first time watching, welcome. My name is Cheryl and I walk 5K a day every day with my dog Daisy. There she is. And it's to help keep my weight under control and for my hormone health. I am in remission from hyperthyroid Graves' disease and have AFib as a byproduct. And throw in menopause for good measure. If this is something that interests you, or if you want to walk with me for accountability, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And there she goes, out on the open road. Thankfully, it's not as wet and muddy as it was earlier this week. And Daisy decided not to turn around, but to turn down the side street because she heard the collies barking. I don't know if you can hear them in the background, so we'll go say hi. There's Sully. Hi, Sully. Let's go say hi. Oh. And there's Milo over in the corner. And there's Daisy going to go see him. Hello, buddy. Hello. But she's looking for Milo. There he is. Hello, Milo. Daisy decided not to listen to me, and I am too tired to carry her to do a turnaround. So we are walking up to the lake, and I am not wearing the right shoes. We are coming up to our halfway point now at the park at the lake, and you can actually see that there's still some ice out at the pier. So this is going to make it 2.28 kilometers, and yeah, so it'll be over 4K walk for us. Again, thank you for watching, and thank you, come on girl. Thank you for walking with me and Daisy.